How many people can say they knew that Southern Connecticut State University was on its way to becoming a completely green campus? For the past 7 years, Southern has been working extremely hard to be known as an accomplished leader in the environmental arena.
We always have been working towards sustainability if you're looking at our things like energy efficiency, because just like you would at your house, you want to keep your energy costs low. So many of the things that have been done on campus have been done with energy cost savings in mind over the last 25 years. Our old energy plant that was right out here in lot number 2 was disassembled 8 years ago for a new power plant on campus. That was planned 15 years ago, but sustainability wasn't the key word, but we were still planning for reducing our energy costs. Every time we build a building on campus, we think about how much is it going to cost to run that building with electricity and heating and water resources. So that's been in the planning part for 20 years. So when you say how long has Southern been involved in sustainability, it's been a very long time.
Sustainability is more than just a slogan at Southern Connecticut State University. In 2007, President Cheryl Norton signed the American College and University President's Climate Commitment on behalf of the entire SCSU community. This document shows that Southern is devoted to achieving climate neutrality.
The President's Climate Commitment is a formal commitment signed by college and university presidents to lead their campuses to climate neutrality by 2050.
There are various steps to take to achieve a green community. Some of these steps are as simple as reducing paper, using less water, switching to CFL light bulbs, and driving less. Southern has developed its own approach to work towards sustainability as a community. So far, they have accomplished many of the goals toward going green. In 2006, the university was awarded the Green Building Certification by the U.S. Green Building Council for the West Campus Residence Hall, which opened in 2004. There is a campus-wide recycling program geared toward creating awareness about limiting waste for students and faculty on campus.
With the recycling program, the position is fairly new. It's just over 2 years old now. And with the recycling program, what we're doing is we're trying to bring awareness to the campus about the importance of recycling, but not just recycling. It all kind of falls under the big umbrella of sustainability. With sustainability, we have things like water conservation and energy conservation, and recycling is just one piece of it. What we've tried to do collectively around the campus is we've increased recyclability with the visibility of the blue bottle and can containers. They're located next to trash containers so students can make choices, the right choice hopefully, of what needs to be recycled and what doesn't. We've increased cardboard containers on campus, and we've increased that probably to about 100 tons per year of cardboard recycling.
Since Southern is one of the largest commuting colleges in Connecticut, and since there's a need to reduce car pollution, a shuttle bus service has been set up. The shuttle runs from the New Haven train station to the SCSU campus. This encourages students to take the train and reduce vehicle exhaust.
I love this new system, man. You know, it's helps the environment out real well. You know, I'm going green. What can I say? I'm helping out, and it's so convenient. The way I look up the train times, correlate the train times, the shuttle times, to my class times. It's the convenience and the way it helps out the environment. It's just, it's all good. It's nothing bad about it. The best part is instead of 10 of us coming from around the same area, taking one car each, 10 cars on the road, we can all hop on the same train, meet each other, take the train, hop on the same shuttle together, and get to school.
A new energy center was constructed in 2004, which enabled the university to meet increasingly challenging environmental standards by reducing pollutants by 50%.
The new energy center, which was built about 3.5 years ago, uses first of all low sulfur fuel, and it burns it at a much better efficiency rating. We had a system that consisted of boilers that were 30 years old. So obviously the new boilers, of which there are 3 40-ton boilers, 48,000 BTU boilers in the new energy center, burn fuel much more efficiently, and we burn low sulfur fuel so that we are protecting the environment as much as we can. We burn probably, the latest figure we had was 45% less fuel with the high efficiency boilers that we have than we did when we had the old ones. One of the things that we're doing now is the president has signed an agreement with American colleges and universities to go to zero burning of NOx emissions into the air, carbon, the use of zero carbon. And so this takes us in that direction by burning less carbon. But along with this, there are other issues. I mean, there's other issues about what the temperature is, how we monitor the temperatures in buildings, how we can set back temperatures in buildings because we have an energy management program. For every degree we sent the heat back, we saved $25,000. One of the things we did when we built the Energy Center, because we were concerned about students that are living in resident halls, what happens if we had a major power shortage that lasted for days? We had a catastrophic storm and the power could not be restored. And what would we do with 2,600 students? And so what we did in our planning for the new Energy Center is we put in a generator that is automatically will go on with a loss of power and provide power to all the resident halls and Connecticut Hall, because we need to feed people as well.
This past summer, Southern signed a contract with the food service provider Chartwell's Compass to help engage in the ongoing greening process in the dining hall. The new method is incorporating a trayless dining service.
There's several programs going on in our in our dining facilities as a whole that goes the entire scope of the campus, whether it be from our resident dining program upstairs where we've gone completely trayless. At some institutions we've shown 70,000 to 80,000 gallons a year improvement of waste. All those things coupled together with even green initiatives with lighting, where our lighting is reduced when students are not present, our customers are not present. It's a lot of small things coming together to make big improvements. But the purpose upstairs is to reuse everything we have upstairs.
In a world of dwindling resources, it's notable that SCSU has taken the lead in achieving a sustainable environment.
There are obviously some universities that are further ahead than us, but we've come a long way. We have grown in our square footage across campus with the new buildings, and at the same time reduced our energy use, reduced the amount of oil we use to heat buildings and electricity. So to be able to expand a campus grounds and facilities while you're reducing your costs is wonderful. That's something to be extremely proud of. I think that's the greatest success, that we've been able to grow and reduce our costs at the same time.